Is it time for Saturday morning cartoons?
Yeah.
He's relaxing over here. Got his milk, got his cereal, got the sunshine today. What's it gonna be? Flintstones, Shaun the Sheep.
Popeye.
Alright, Popeye the Sailor Man. I'm about to make some omelets, some of those old country store omelets. We've got some sausage right here. We're just gonna cook the sausage with some green bell pepper and potatoes. And then we'll add cheese and eggs. I have a lot of egg whites left over because y'all know we make that ice cream that just uses egg yolks. So I always end up with all these egg whites. This one has yolks mixed in with it too though, where when I was separating them, some yolks accidentally got in, so we've got some yolks there. I really like these omelets because you just put everything in here all at one time and everything just gets mixed together instead of, you know, cooking the vegetables and all and the meat and then taking it out or getting another pan to do the eggs and then putting all that in the middle. It's all together. I love Saturdays. They're my favorite. Does it smell wonderful out there, Daddy? Does it smell like Saturday?
Oh, yeah.
I'm glad it's not raining. We've had several days of rain and thunderstorms. I'm going to put a few minced onions instead of chopping up an onion. Okay, so we took out some of the meat mixture. Now we put in the eggs. We just pour it right over. And I'm going to put a little bit of spinach. And we'll get some cheese. We just put the top on and let it cook. And whenever it gets almost done, we just fold it over. That's it. The next one will be mostly egg whites.
Oh, Mom.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
here.
This is our favorite
This is our
antique store.
favorite one.
It smells like grandma's cooking a casserole in here.
Yeah, it does.
It's called Old Schoolhouse Antiques and More. Oh, he's always finding the rocking chairs.
I can see me sitting right here eating a pear.
Oh yeah, there's always somebody in the lobby eating a pear.
You gotta be careful on these. Ease back. Look here, here's one.
There's a phone. I bet it's 300. How much is it? Oh, this is
this is
a
not the
knockoff.
real deal.
Yeah, it's not the real deal. The press button kind.
I don't know they like these back then though. It almost looks like a nosy person looking at you. You know what I mean? Look at it. Look at it right there. Somebody that's really nosy was involved in this right here in those days.
Oh, I just saw a lizard in
Did?
here. Yeah, it just went behind there.
Having a good little time
He
in here.
went behind there. Oh, there he goes. There he
is. Wow, I can't get him.
Yeah, he's fast.
Couldn't hardly see him. I bet if I put these on, I could see him. You know what I mean?
Oh, they come apart at that. Hey, I've seen people wear those. See, they come apart right
Oh, no, ain't that something? It's, it's a magnet.
there. Uh-huh. Oh, look at the barn with the tire swing. And then over here we got a bear and
You know
a
what I
horse.
might do is go ahead and get those magnetized glasses and get me one of these
Yeah,
for the future.
yeah.
You know what I'm
Be
saying?
prepared. Hey, I saw these at one of the other antique stores. Oh,
I saw some of this stuff right here somewhere last week.
really?
Sure did.
Oh my goodness. These bunnies won't go with us. They're trying to jump out. Now, is that your hat? He's been looking for a hat, a summer hat.
Folks,
Oh, I'm sorry. That's not the one.
is this the one or not?
That's not the one.
Just tell me, Mama.
No. Look. You look.
Get them glasses over there that magnetized
Oh, yeah.
me a little.
Mm-hmm. They got an old, what is that? Isomatic back there.
I remember these right here.
Mm-hmm.
I know.
Yeah,
I do
that's
remember.
15. How much is this
I bet that thing
Isomatic?
still works too.
I bet it does
I
too.
bet you that thing right there still works, y'all.
Yeah.
You can't tear that stuff up.
That vintage
Up right there.
ice crusher's 25.
I guarantee you right now. 70, 80 years from now, aliens and everybody
have
that's
a
down here
date?
will be using them right there.
And don't have a date on it. Oh, yeah.
Robots.
Better Homes and Gardens Junior Cookbook. Cinnamon toast.
Perfect French toast right there. Perfect. Let's see what the recipe would be. You'll need 2 eggs, a half cup of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of fat. Okie dokie.
Here's the Pirates House Cookbook back there from Savannah.
Irons don't get hot enough anymore.
Oh, yeah, they did back then.
Oh, this one, I guarantee this one right here would iron your jeans, buddy. Now, that thing's heavy enough right there. Can you imagine that thing right there, home alone?
Oh,
It
yeah.
wouldn't have made it.
This is the lodge section right here.
This is really nice.
Yeah,
right here.
the table and the benches and the chairs is
Now
$8.99.
that ain't bad.
That really is not
I'm
bad.
gonna say that's actually a really good deal.
Yeah, look at that chair. That's
I
nice.
like it. These old chairs right here usually sit for it.
Sits good.
This thing sits really good. I can sit here until they close. Power can go out and anything, you can still make your
Yeah,
biscuits. Look
isn't
at
it pretty?
my waffle maker,
Look at that.
you know?
$99.
They made stuff back then. I ain't kidding you. That right there could either be a waffle maker, somebody breaking your house. You could use that to get them out. You know what I mean? Like, what do you want me to get you, Daddy? Give me the waffle maker. Give me the waffle maker. I'll get them out the door. Look at the rustic rooster here.
Butter churn, $4.95.
$495. Land O'Lakes.
Look at these. These are pretty now. I see one. They have them set up like this. See that? Those are pretty. They're
I'm gonna
$8.95.
let it shine.
Yeah, they're really pretty. Look, you can buy the little thing. It's $6.95.
Yeah, baby. But
And
look,
then you have the
I
little.
mean, what's the deal here?
It's battery operated.
But it's real.
Yeah, yeah, because you want that look, you know. But it's,
Oh, okay. Okay. Welcome to the future, folks.
yeah,
Yeah, you don't have to waste your candle anymore.
yeah.
We fixed that in 2025.
Of course, I live in the past. It's cheaper there. Oh, they have a bee one.
What do you think right there?
Yeah, that'd be nice. See, in the mornings when it's early, you have your little candlelight.
Oh my goodness, look at that. That's Scrooge. Get some coffee in me. Acting like Scrooge. I'm happy first thing in the morning. Tell him, Mama.
Yeah, he is. Me, on the other hand, don't talk to me for a little while.
Let her have her time.
Oh, look, it's Abraham Lincoln. Warm apple crisp, Homestead Studios candle.
Chocolate.
Oh, chocolate candles never don't, Daddy. They never smell good. Is it bad?
Don't really smell
Usually chocolate candles never smell good. Tuscan olive, warm apple crisp, sand and sea, homestead, honeybee, New England cranberry, lavender, rosemary, and sage, and Nana's lemon biscotti.
Wow, that's almost delicious.
Let's see, let's try the...
Let's taste them. Orange chili pepper.
Yeah, do you smell it?
I can't smell it. Let me get over here so I can see.
Be careful.
Yeah, it does smell really good.
Does it?
Yeah,
Let me smell it.
it does. We just tell people if they come in the house to go over there and smell our candle.
Oh, yeah, it does
You know what I
smell
mean?
good. Yeah, but I don't see any of those.
Everybody comes in. Would y'all mind going over and smell that candle? See what you think about it. Back over here at J. Moore Farms right here.
Yeah, I gotta get my competition tomato plants.
And I
Watermelon.
gotta get me a watermelon.